In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube logo with Canva. First, make sure that you are registered to a Canva Pro account. So as long as the YouTube logo that you're making is square, so it's got a 1:1 ratio, and that's maybe over 500 pixels by 500 pixels in size, which all the templates for logos on Canva would be. And then it would qualify as a YouTube logo. So you can search YouTube logo here in your search bar. So you can search YouTube logo specifically if you want. But as you can see here, there are just standard logos, which are a square format. So there are thousands of templates for logos in here. Now to filter this one, you can go ahead and type in specifically the logos that you are looking for. So I will be typing logo games. So there are thousands of templates in here. So just go ahead and scroll down until you find your desired design for your logo. Okay, so for example, let's choose this one. So from here, you can also choose a design that is more like this one. So just scroll down. So let's try the first one. Just simply tap the template. And then let's click on customize this template, and you will be directed to the Canva editor, which is very simple to use. So I will be showing you the feature for this one. So for example, you will select an object in here, so you can easily change that one. For example, the text, the fox. Let's go ahead and change it into a YouTube text. You can also resize the box so that it will fit. There you go. So basically, you can change the text, the colors, the pictures. Just simply tap everything here. You can also delete it. Okay, so on the left side, this is where you can see a lot of colors if you want to change it. Okay, so in here there are lots of features. So we have a lot of options here, like different designs. We also have our elements. So from your elements, you can type in the specific pictures that you want to add to your template. And then you will see here a lot of options, like hundred and thousands kind of templates in here. Next, we also have text board, uploads, photos. You can also draw, and many more designs that you will see here. So for example, here on your elements, so when you tap the search bar, you can find the shapes or the stickers, videos, tables, graphics, photos, charts, frames, and many more options here. So once you're satisfied with your work, you can now save your work or download it here at the right corner, the share button. So just scroll down and then hit the download. So in here, it will give you the ability to bring this file down as a digital image file or PDF. But for YouTube, you want it as a PNG or JPEG. And that will give you at least 500 by 500 pixels, which qualifies as a YouTube logo. And once you're done, just hit the download button. So that's how to make a YouTube logo with Canva Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.